queuing up with our boats at Liverpool docks, getting on the ferry.
Tanks being pumped out.
Yeah.
Got 500 for now.
Yeah. Yeah, we both had Dunstall exhaust on it, didn't
Yeah. Lovely sound with those Dunstall.
we? Yeah. Yeah, they were, weren't they?
Yeah.
One of the first things we did when we got them, wasn't
Yeah.
they? Put Dunstals on it.
Well, the new four stars was taken off and the Dunstall put on, it was new.
Mm. Yeah, we're going to make that journey up the ramp in a minute. Is you in the background there?
Yeah. Yeah, Graham, don't drop it.
No. There we are, the champion boys, with Reg there on the right hand side. Now that was at where, Mark? What was that?
Bradden.
Bradden Bridge.
Church had it, Bradden.
Nice left and right hander there.
Yeah. Wasn't too fast.
No. But I suppose, you know, they were on the limit in those days.
Oh, yeah.
I imagine the condition of the roads, the road surface is better now compared to then.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to drink now.
Yeah.
Don't know what we're drinking.
Nice sunny day there, Graham.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks nice, isn't it? Yeah. Nice bit of sunshine. Sidecars now.
Yeah.
Shifting from left to right in the sidecar outfit. Oh yeah, it's a pigeon on the track.
You can remember that.
Oh, I can remember
Yeah.
that, yeah, I can, yeah. Yeah, I can. Slightly different angle here now.
Yeah.
Some of the sidecars are on the right or on the left, depending on where they came from.
This is the goose deck, isn't it?
Yeah, so Reg on the back of my bike.
Yeah.
Oh, that's you going round Craig the Bow, I believe. That
Yeah. Glen Helen here now.
Yeah. There's a very high bank there, which is sitting on
right.
a bank of grass.
Yeah.
High up. Good view. Gaggle of riders going around there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that might be Corbett there.
Roger Corbett.
Corbett, yeah. That might have been the Motor Guzzi
Yeah.
that time.
He also won Triumph.
Yeah. I think that might be BMW there. Whether it was that guy Helmut Dan that used to ride the BM, I don't know.
She's up at Craig Nabar.
Two lads having a drink there, Reggie's drunk. Always acting the fool.
Yeah. Black Bridge.
It's up on the top of the mountain, isn't it? So whether it's before or after Windy Corner, or I'm not sure.
It
Not
would be
exactly
before,
sure. Before, is it? Yeah. really flying along there.
Yeah.
That's looking down to where the tram goes across there.
Yeah.
I think that might have been John Williams right there, yeah. And there's Reg, and you and me, and the rest. I think that might have been Signpost there.
Cronk pneumonia.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, cronk pneumonia. Corners.
That's
pretty fast.
That's just down below or before Signpost, isn't it? That bit there.
Yeah.
Signpost is further in here. There's Speedway there, I think.
Yeah.
Although it's bends.
And they come up from Hillbury.
Yeah.
On the bottom there,
Which
so
is a fast stretch, isn't it?
Yeah.